So since the price of Bitcoin has done it twice in the past price action, we are expecting another bullish move to happen again. I mean another 20-21% price move, breaking the previous high and going even higher, because according to this Taravas box, the price of Bitcoin during an uptrend after some range bound has shown some very bullish move. And if that exact scenario is going to play out again, you can see guys, the price of Bitcoin definitely looks like breaking the previous high and also hitting above 70,000 range. But before I start talking about it, I want you guys to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button. And also a friendly reminder to those individuals who have not claimed your bonuses. I mean, Bybit is giving around $200 futures airdrop, either Bitcoin USDT position airdrop or Ethereum USDT position airdrop. If you haven't claimed this free $200, please check the video description. Thank you very much. Now, if you look at this price action of Bitcoin, you can see guys, we are being flashed with some very interesting move. A move which is indicating us the price is not just only going to break the previous high, but go even higher. Because if this exact 20-21% move is going to happen in our case, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to show a move at least around 76,000, and only after that choose a trend duration, because it's not just only this breakout formation. Even according to this rising channel, you can see the line which previously acted as resistance is being looked as support right now. So as long as the price of Bitcoin remains above 61,500, 62,000 range, we are expecting this trend to continue here to the upside. Because if you look at the price action of Bitcoin around this area carefully, you can see this formation looks like symmetrical triangle breakout. Let me show you that here. You can see the price of Bitcoin has managed to overcome the resistance from this upper trend line, which resulted in impulsive move. But if you look at this example, after some impulsive move, what has happened here? The price of Bitcoin has started to show more of a range bound, right? You can see after this massive breakout, we started showing more of a range bound, and only after that started this actual move. So if this exact scenario is going to happen again, I want you guys to be prepared, because in that case, we might be heading towards to break the previous high and go even higher. Because we know if this formation is going to play out, then even this leading indicator scenario will play out perfectly. Because according to this CPI indicator, first target is still open. This monthly R1 line for this month of March is going to attract us, which sits around 69,400. And if that happens, then you know we are going to make a new all-time high for Bitcoin. So for this month of March, our first target is this monthly R1 line, which sits around 69,400. Second target, the monthly R2 line, sits around 77,800. And the best case scenario for this month of March sits around 91,000. So will the price of Bitcoin hit this high? Because we know we have not tested any of this trend line, which sits around 58,300 to 52,000. We have to be careful, guys. What could the price of Bitcoin be doing? After breaking the previous high, we could see a huge sell-off. Price of Bitcoin getting attracted around this 58, 57,000, and only after that start with this actual impulsive move. So if we see price of Bitcoin showing some weakness, we want 62, 61,000 support to be there. I mean, if we remain above that range, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to show a very similar move after that, with some range bound price heading here to the upside. Because by doing that, we will be also heading towards to make a new all-time high. And if we can flip that into proper support as well, then we will be looking at this as a continuation pattern. I mean, price of Bitcoin showing a move like this, not just only testing the R1 but also R2, and in the best case scenario even this R3 line, which sits around 91,000 range. Now what I want you guys to do is to simply look at this indicators. CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, which is still bullish. I mean, our indicator which gave us a buy confirmation when the price was around 27,000. Beside this CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, even this Williams alligator indicator gave us a buy confirmation when we saw this green line appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom. That only happens during uptrend. We had a crossover here. You can see price started range bounding, even showed some weakness. But when this green line started appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom, we started with this new impulsive move. So according to this indicator, like Williams Alligator indicator, CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, price of Bitcoin still looks very, very bullish. And even if the price is going to show another continuation like this, I just showed you around 61, 62,000, we have extremely important support line for Bitcoin. Now, in a bit different way, I mean, I talked about this on my previous video, pre-halving and post-halving scenario. During this pre-halving, the price of Bitcoin has always followed this expansion phase. But when we enter through the halving, the price of Bitcoin after that has gone parabolic. After each and every halving, you can see the price of Bitcoin has gone parabolic. So in our case, if you look at this indicator to the downside, I mean, this monthly RSI is also indicating us that we have plenty of room for this impulsive move. I mean, in the past price action, this monthly RSI got overheated or overbought, which resulted in a corrective move. You can see overbought RSI in a monthly time frame resulted in a corrective move. But in our case, this RSI line is still around 74, 75, which means we might see furthermore impulsive move. Unless we see this RSI being overbought, until then, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin also to continue with this uptrend, because we know once we break the previous high, the price of Bitcoin is going to give us another buying opportunity. So in the medium short term, if we remain above 61, 62,000, then there is a very high probability of price also breaking the previous high, which is going to give us another buying opportunity. But if we fail to break out of this, I mean, we know in the past price action, price of Bitcoin failing to break the previous high has also resulted in a move like this. Right, price of Bitcoin getting attracted towards this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line, and only after that starting with this actual impulsive move. So in the past price action, we have seen price of Bitcoin getting rejected while trying to break the previous high. We are careful, but in our case, it looks like we are going to break it. Yes, guys, we are going to follow this Livermore pivotal point theory, which will indicate the price after breaking the previous high is going to give us a buying opportunities. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder to those individuals who have not claimed these bonuses. Bybit is giving around $200 futures airdrop, Bitcoin USD position airdrop, or Ethereum USD position airdrop. Bybit is also giving around 30,000 deposit bonus and a chance to take part in this 2.2 million USD prize pool competition. All the links are given in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. Feel free to grab this opportunity. By saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.